Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you the best coupon code for Hostinger in 2026. So, what you want to do is you want to click on the link down below in the description, and that link is going to have the discount coupon already embedded. So you don't have to input the code yourself. You just click on the link, it will take you to the official Hostinger website, and it will apply the discount for you. If you purchase any service right here inside of the official Hostinger website, you'll be able to basically get this discount applied instantly on checkout. So if you go, for example, and purchase any hosting plan, let's go with the Cloud Startup, for example, it will take us to the cart or checkout page, and the discount is going to be automatically applied. You're going to get 20% off any service you purchase. So if you'd like to get the discount, just click the link down below in description. If you have any questions, leave them down below in the comments. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.